Hello folks, it's Steven here and I'm here to present yet another Wi-Fi battle. This once again was a PSS Wi-Fi battle against a guy Liam. It was a pretty good battle, gotta like it, so let's just see how it went. So we got versus Liam. This Exploud was actually an idea of Shofu. I don't know if you guys know this guy. Shofu is a pretty cool YouTuber that do a lot of stuff like Wi-Fi battles. I long to battle a guy, and many of the sets I use on some of my Pokemon teams are came from actually his Pokemon, like his Bull Captain Flame or that little my Exploud, which proved to be a really reliable lead. With a large move pool, we can actually deal a lot of damage to almost anything that sends in. So now the play goes to Swagger. I say only to raise my attack power so we can hit harder with full play. I don't really think that he needed yet another attack. And of course I had to hit myself in confusion. This Pokemon is annoying because of that, actually. Now he goes for full play, and I'm like, oh shit, I'm dead. But I was able to survive and have a Fire Blast in. This isn't bad. I got rid of Clash Curator easily, but normally these things are annoying. Then he goes for Glissaur. Of course, he goes for Swords Dance, and I was like, why? He didn't expect me by Blizzard. I guess that's why. Yep. This little guy, this Exploud is an Exploud with Boom Burst, Normal Gem Boom Burst, Fire Blast, Shadow Ball, and Blizzard. He can hit almost everybody with a spray effective move, or can simply Boom Burst the place up. And he has Crappy, so you can also hit like Pokemon like Gengar. Now he goes for, speaking of Gengar, he goes for Gengar. And I go for Fairy K. Now getting my Swagger and start to full play, but he goes for Willow Whip. So I guess it's a treating Gengar. If you have a sweeper like Gengar, like we all know. Now he goes for yet another Shadow Roll. I am burned. So I can go for Foul Play. There's a pretty good amount of damage despite me being burned. So it isn't bad. I get a Power Hacks here, so it's really useful. Yeah, it is a treat one. So next turn I'm going to kill myself and the Gengar. So it's still a good. It is still a good deal, should I say? Thanks, okay. Here goes Blastoise, and here's Ferroturn. My Ferroturn is a Gen 5 standard set, except for the item, where it packs Hero Move, Gyro Ball, Power Whip, Rocks, and Spikes. Now I've made a switch and goes for Scissors. And since I had nothing really that I could switch him into, I simply decided to set up. Oh yeah, I forgot, I don't have Spikes on this one, I have Leech Seed. So I went to damage the guy only. So I seeded the guy. My goal was to get out with a bang, so he would get damaged by both the iron barbs and the soft rocks. I kinda expected the Mega Scizor here instead of a Mega Gengar. Go for not yet another Swords Dance. And I go for Gyro Ball to see what's going to do more damage. And it happened to be Gyro Ball. That goes for Hex Scissors. Which KO, of course, but I got an Hummingbird in, so that's good. And now it's time for Talon Flame. Now he withdrew his Scissors. Why did he do that? To bring in an even bigger threat. In this game I started also to switch a little more, because normally I don't switch. If I get a counter, I try to get a hit first, and then I die with a bang. Now he goes for Tyranitar, don't know what side he packs, but I guess his defenses are pretty low to take that much damage of Brave Bird. Now it's the time, this is the perfect time to go for Kangasjan. So powerful, this guy is crazy. Now is the time, this is a good time to Mega Evolve into Mega Kangaskhan. And I decided to go for Earthquake because I wanted to be sure to kill the guy first. Even though I'm pretty sure Power Up Punch would have killed him. That was my misplay, but it didn't matter, it didn't matter much. So now we go for Scizor. And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to be able to take him down using your Sucker Punch. Well, that's what I thought, but then again, Ball Punches before. So I went for Earthquake instead. Still have to take a second hit to kill the Scizor though. So no more Scizor. And then there's Blastoise. But I have to say, Mega Kangaskhan is a terrifying late game sweeper. Look at that. I'm gonna use a Parental Burn Outrage to deal a lot of damage, maybe 85% or so. And it goes for Toxic. And like he was desesperating. He was like desesperating in English. I don't know how to say it. So he threw the match away. Literally, could have at least have killed my my Kangaskhan. So that's it for Blastoise, I guess. And that's it for the battle. I gamed the guy, confused after outrage on him. Pretty good match. Well, I gotta have this. I really want to battle some stronger YouTuber to see if I'm fit to be in that little crowd of theirs. So thank you guys for watching. That was my 10th Wifi battle. So see you later, and don't forget, if you like, to drop a like, comment, subscribe even. It would be really helpful. Oh my gosh, helpful. So thank you guys, and see you next battle.